Hello everybody, so today I'm going to be playing a community world known as Crossfire. And you're wondering, what's Crossfire? Well, it was made by a pretty small content creator known as JB.MP4. And it's pretty fun. So let's head into the video. Go,
Fiddlesticks! I just murdered a man. Police officer, please do not kill me. But I would be a good boy, so I would never commit it again.
I said Jason Voorhees dead. Oh, there's just one midair? I hope it's not midair.
I promise, officer. Ow! You just tried to shoot me. You murderer.
Your mother.
Hey, dude, I just spawned. Oh, shoot.
Leo, this movement text. This movement text kind of crazy, not gonna lie. Ooh, nope.
Spare me! Oh, bro! Damn! What the fuck did I get killed by? Senpai, please, no!
I'll leave all knowledge.
Got him, let's go.
Fuck me!
Oh crap. Got him. Took out that child. Chilled. What?
Ow!
Bro, the small
JB's like the smallest content creator, chat. He's so humble.
Yeah, so small.
I just got where the penis is at. Shit, you were so. I was
Doc,
so close
you had
to
above a
killing you.
shotgun and a sniper. How did you lose? How did you lose that fight, bro?
Why is the round already over? Yo, get over here.
I got you, sucker.
What sense does this make? No, it's
British
Mr.
people.
Policeman.
Oh, good night, baby girl. Kill me right now.
What?
What's that? Got him. Did he just say got him when he died? I don't want to get shit. I'm a complete innocent. I'm close to killing you.
Crap.
No,
From here, straight from the air.
I have an aiming shield.
Stay down the ground. Stay more low.
Never
Be
back
a little
down,
guy.
never what? Never back down.
Shut up.
Die.
Holy cornball.
That will happen. One day.
Honestly, wait, hold on. It's corn dog playing a ball.
Oh crap.
What?
Ah, she taught
Yo,
me.
come on, man.
Oh, sugar. Oh, sugar.
I know you have the urge to stick your pinky finger.
Oh, come on, man.
Oh, sugar. Oh, sugar. Sugar and spice, you are not very nice.
Stop it.
It's like sugar on my spice.
How did that? Think about the Italian brain rot. No. Let it
stop violating.
Let it roam through your blood. No.
You're kidding. I turned red.
We can't kill each other. I don't like.
I killed him. Already killed him.
Forget that ever happened, bro.
Oh. He keeps tickling me, and I don't like
Oh, that's the one for the record.
It's like bloopers are all.
Bomb ball.
Crap. Where is bro shooting at? Who is bro shooting at? Oh, got him. It's like boogers in their house. This is why I'm so good at Arsenal. I've learned that by ping then. How the frick did I die like that?
That's going in the book.
You know what's going in the books?
Your mom.
Words.
Oh, okay.
The smoothest kill I've ever gotten. Oh crap.
What if it's a picture book, though?
Oh, I'm getting some smooth kills right now.
They have to give
No, there's pictures in the picture
to the
book.
Lord and
Sir.
Savior.
You are dead. Damn, I don't forget now. Bro, I had the schizophrenic shoot.
You're a worm.
Well, you're my mom. Wait.
I am in your goddamn walls. Oh, bro, I didn't know you were chill like that, bro.
Got him in the back. That sounded very wrong.
Shot him in the back, too.
No, eyes turned red.
Your morning yacht. I could raise like I cannot.
I can't. there.
Would you mind if I risk speeds got tonight?
Oh my god.
I
Oh
know.
my god, that's in the books.
I'm also crossfire-aholic now. I think I killed
Yo, you should just use this map as like a public map.
Right here. Hold on. Can you stand right here?
Stop respawning, man.
It's like sugar in my tang. Tang.
Hold on. Somebody come over here.
Why am I so cute?
and then it's
That's bomb.
Hold on. Stay right here. Stay right here. Somebody stand right here. Somebody, hey, Jack. Jack, can you get somebody come here?
Hi.
You guys lose everything. Shut up.
No!
That's respect to my normal fit.
You are.
Run! Run! They're trying to diddle me! Mommy, stop! Oh, I don't. Oh my god, that was so large, you might just die.
Oh, that was my smoothest kill.
No, it was not your kill. Okay, buddy.
Bro, everyone.
That was so large.
You saved my life. Thank you.
Why did I enable temporary knockback protection? Now I can't.
Listen, I'm hamming. I'm ham.
Did I hit him? Holy fuck,
No,
I hit him!
No, I didn't. Oh, did I get a double kill? Mr. Ratman.
Chill out, Kimbo VR. Chill out, Kimbo.
I feel like it'd be cool if I won the round.
No, it would not be
Just
cool.
let me win, because I have such a W fit.
No, your fit kind of mid, not gonna lie. I'm sorry to tell you this.
You need to have at least 100 aura to win.
Bro, I've won it during the summer. I've won Aura during the summer. 2025. 2024, I meant.
Like, flipped every single one of you guys did.
It allows you to have more optimization.
Lock in.
For the people who don't use more belly bubbles, what the fuck is wrong with you? You're just like torturing yourself.
Yes. It's like.
Yeah, Dad, you changed that.
What in the respawn did I just hear?
What in the Ouija board did I just hear?
I actually got him. I actually got. Hey, maybe boy. Nope.
Oh my god. It's like sugar in my tank. Well, everybody, that's all for today's video. I hope you had a good day, and see y'all next time. There's a bomb in your house. Run.